no proof is not enough.
Hi guys, in this video we will continue to see how PHP works. So in last video we saw that in the HTML tag we can call PHP straight away. So we just added the number and we have a PHP starting tag here, an ending tag here, and then a number printing right here. So that outputs number 24. Now in this video I want to show you the usage of variables. So in PHP, whenever you want to use a variable, you simply put a dollar sign and then you write the name of the variable. So if you want to get name, for example, we have an application where we are going to use users data. So we can say user underscore name. Now it can be anything. It's not like that you need to put underscore. You can even say user, or you even say username. The best practices is you should not put number initially, and the first letter should be lowercase. Now we have username here, and you can put here anything. So by setting it to equal, then here you can say Manu. Now we have username. So PHP is going to assign this name to this variable, but for now it is not going to show us anything. So what I do, I gonna say here name. So we have PHP tag. If I go here, refresh, we get name. So I say here echo $user name, and then I'm gonna save this. Now once I have it saved, we can refresh, we get the name there. Now we can store any kind of data in the name. Let's, for example, currently I'm storing a name here. This can be a string like is web developer, okay, or we want to say string of numbers. You can do that. Even when I save this, it's not going to change much because it's still the string. If I remove these quotes, and now it is number, so it's very fresh, output stays the same, but the type of variable, you can see that it's storing the number this time. It's not string anymore. So we can do that. Now you can have multiple variables, and you can deal with multiple variables as well. Like just, let's say if I say this instead of user, I call it A, and I give it a value of 10, and then I say $B, which is a variable, and I will give it 15. And what I say here $C is equal to $A into $B. So you get the idea. We are putting the values here inside the variables, and then we are just multiplying it. So to see the output, we need to put variable here. So it's going to be like this. Now if I refresh the page, we get 150. So that's the total of if you multiply these two. Now let's say we have two strings and we need to join them. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna comment this so that you can have it. Here I'm gonna say $name. Again, I'm gonna put name Manu, and here $about. So you can say can play cricket. Okay, now I want to print these two variables in one line. So I believe you already got the idea. We just gonna print it one by one. So I'm gonna add here $name, and then we are going to put here $about. Now PHP will give us an error, because if you have multiple variables like this, PHP will get confused like what variable goes where and how PHP should act, because we are not we could put everything, all these things, in one line, but we are doing it separate. Maybe we are getting it from different files or databases. So to matching or joining two strings, we have to put a concatenation by putting dot. So this is something how you combine two variables, or if you want to put string to strings, you do this way. So if I go here and refresh, we get menu can play cricket. So I just remove this here. Now if I in place of about, I simply cut this and simply place it here, and we clear this, you will see we still get it. Now same goes with the name. If I want to put name here or number here, anything. So if it is a variable, you need to put a dot. Now for example, if I remove this and save here, we are going to get an error. So this is the way. So it says syntax error unexpected, can play cricket. So it is expecting something there, expecting semicolon, comma. It is guessing like what best can be, because each PHP statement ends with semicolon, so it is expecting that there should be a semicolon. But as we want this line to be a one line, we need to put here a dot to make it one. So that's why, and that's how it works. Hope you got the idea. We will explore the PHP more in next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
And our goal is not in her.